Hey guys, if you want to know how I transformed from this to this, then keep on watching. So I'm starting off with this Smashbox primer. This primer is really lightweight and I'm applying it all over my skin. Primer just makes your skin more hydrating and it makes your makeup last longer. This one has become one of my favorites as it's really lightweight and breathable. Next, to prep my lips, I'm using this Laneige lip balm and applying it on my lips. Then today I'm using this Girl Pro Conceal and applying it under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, and the places where I have redness and dark spot. And concealer really hides your imperfections. Then I also apply it on my chin as well as my forehead to highlight the face. Then I go on with the beauty blender and blend this all over. Beauty blender provides that natural skin-like finish and you will get that smooth looking face. Make sure that you blend it properly and there is no any patchiness. Then the leftover concealer, I also apply it on my eyelid as it will also hide that redness around my eyes as well. Then moving on to eyebrows, I'm using this eyebrow pencil from Golden Rose and filling in the sparse areas. I recommend you guys that you put more in the outer corner and then bring it in the front, and then with a spoolie you brush it out so that the brows look evenly blended. Then for blush, I'm using this Candy Paint cream blush and applying it on the highest point of my cheek, and I also apply in the middle of my nose and chin as well for that natural flush. And you can see that this also provides a bit of glow as well. Then with a kimchi setting powder, I will set my base and I also apply it over the blush so that the blush is set as well. I leave it for a while and then brush it out. Then I'm going on with this kimchi bronzer and applying it on my cheekbones, forehead, and a bit on my chin as well. This will provide warmth to your face. Then I'm going on with Ofra Miami palette, and with this lighter shimmer shade, I apply it on the cheekbones, on the bridge of my nose, and forehead and chin as well. And this will give a subtle glow to your face. Next, I'm curling my lashes, and for mascara today I'll be going for Smashbox Superfan mascara, and I'm applying it on my upper and lower lashes and coating it properly. And as you can see, this just gives that fuller lashes. For lips, I'm using this Uoma Beauty lip liner, and this lip liner is really close to my lip shade. I'm lining my lip and then I'm also shading it inward. Then for lipstick, I'm going on with this MAC lipstick in the shade A Little Tame, and I apply a little bit only and then blend it with my finger. Then I'm using this Maybelline lipstick in the shade Cheeky, and this just gives that lustrous shine to your lips. Then to finish it off, I'm using this Milani Make It Dewy setting spray. This is how the look turned out to be. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give a subscribe. I'll be seeing you guys in my next one.